Nisambula Binaka, I'm Lavini Randiva. Our campaign to the Rugby World Cup in the land of the long white clouds today received another timely boost with an official song created for the Flying Fijians courtesy of Fijian Holdings Limited. The song, entitled Never Give Up, has been produced by local songwriter and composer Steve Makamba.
The Fiji Rugby Union, in acknowledging the initiative by Fijian Holdings Limited, says that the concept of producing a theme song for the national 15s rugby team would certainly add encouragement and confidence to the players. The event this morning also coincided with the board meeting of the Fijian Holdings Limited, and the launch provided the platform in further soliciting support, particularly from its board members.
I've just seen the clip and I'm really impressed with the very high quality of presentation by a local artist. I did not realize that we had such a talented local artist over here, and I'm very proud, and I wish that they be given a lot of encouragement as we go along.
The clip that I saw today reminds me of the good old days and how they play rugby, and it's really encouraging. They've changed a lot from the previous years, and I know I'm glad that we are supporting Fijian Holdings. I'm now sitting at the Fijian Holdings after spending almost 18 years with the Fiji Rugby Union. It's really glad. I'm glad that Fijian Holdings has come.
I think this is a very good initiative from Fijian Holdings. We all support the Fiji team. All we can do is wish them luck, and I think we've got a very good team, and I think they will do very well in the World Cup.
Chairman of the FHL board, Mr. Carl Namoki Cameron, was also impressed with the time taken to put the project together, and added that such local initiatives was crucial, particularly in a joint partnership as such.
It's been made possible because of the contributions of Steve Makamba with his wonderful singing voice, and his joint effort with Margot Jenkins in putting together the lyrics, and the Ministry of Information. The people in there stayed up all hours of the night and in the morning, where our designer who designed our CD cover, he stayed up till 2 o'clock this morning, and we managed to put this all together from the initial initiative in less than 1 week. So we are very thankful to the Fiji Rugby Union for them believing in this project and sanctioning it.
With the Minister of Information providing the audiovisual support to the project, Permanent Secretary Sharon Smith-Jones says it was government's duty to lend support to any initiative or concept that helps support nation building.
It's very important for government to get behind this, firstly in sport and for our rugby team that are going over to the World Cup, but also from a nation building point of view as well. It's excellent for the Ministry of Information, for the government to support this, to be involved in it, to be involved with Fijian Holdings and with the FRU, and to put together a music video. There's not much of, it's a first in a way for Fiji, because we've collaborated on the music and with the video, and it's inspiring, and it's inspiring for the boys, and it's exciting that government can help get behind these commercial ventures as well. You know, good luck to the boys. We hope it does motivate you to try harder.
Astute intelligence work and border police operations resulted in the arrest of 2 Suva men who defrauded a Nadi hotel and an accommodation house by pretending to be military intelligence officers. 21-year-old Israeli Kaubakabesu Talembula Memelea and Kaminieli Tamani, 27, appeared before Nandi magistrate Ajmer Khan yesterday afternoon. Talembula Memelea is charged alone on 2 counts of impersonating a military officer, jointly charged with Tamani on 1 count of the same offence, and 2 counts of making off without paying hotel bills.
On the 14th of August, they left Hotel Matintar without paying $350 in hotel bills that they had piled up. The same day, they booked into Travelers Holiday apartment and did not pay $240 in bills. Talembula Memelea was arrested from the apartment on the 16th of August, while Tamani was arrested from the Nadi bus station attempting to flee to Suva a day later. Magistrate Khan remanded them in custody for sentencing on September 1st, 2011.
Stay with us, more after the break.